Autism spectrum disorder (ASD) is a complex neurodevelopmental disorder that includes problems with both communication and behavior. Let's understand this concept using a real-world example. Brock Ott was 2 years old when his parents, Brianne and Nidona, began to notice differences between him and other kids his age. Their research seemed to point to autism, but his local pediatrician and a neurologist both dismissed the idea. At age 4, he had a 20-word vocabulary when his peers were virtual chatterboxes, and he couldn't even remember the names of family members. His parents and family referred to these qualities as Brockisms. He would get fixated on particular things. It wasn't until he was 6 years old, entering first grade, that Brock was diagnosed with an autism spectrum disorder (ASD), a group of complex developmental disabilities. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) estimates that autism spectrum disorders affect 1 in every 88 children in the United States. Though a sweet kid at heart, he didn't interact much with other children, didn't make eye contact or smile, and didn't want to be touched. He had trouble with the textures of certain foods, talked in a monotone voice, and displayed behavior like flicking his fingers and walking on his tiptoes. Motor impairments in autism spectrum disorder are amongst the most common signs and are not used in diagnostic criteria till now. Autistic patients experience trouble in communicating with others. Motor impairments are categorized into 2 types: fine motor and gross motor. Fine motor delay is when a child is not able to use their hands and fingers to hold, manipulate, and use objects when the child is at the right age to do these things. Gross motor skills are big movements like crawling or walking or both. So there is a need of such system that can easily classify the type and measure the severity of ASD. The proposed application is developed using C# language and is capable of detecting the type and severity of fine motor deficit in autistic patient. Motor parameters are of 3 types. First, kinetic parameter, motion with regard to force, solo play, hyperactivity, spinning objects. Second, kinematic parameter, motion without regard to force, poor joint attention, attention deficit, temper tantrums. Third, temporospatial, timing and distance, poor eye contact, developmental delay, poor emotional response. The proposed system can capture kinematic and temporospatial symptoms. The system requires a personal computer with a web camera. The user is made to perform 4 activities that resemble motor parameter. The result is submitted to machine learning algorithm and a report is generated. Chatbot is used in this application to detect whether the autistic patient is able to respond when the chatbot tries to communicate with him. Most of the time, when autistic patients are called by their name, they lack response. Finger tapping task is used in the application to detect poor joint attention, where the autistic patient is made to tap on a button for exactly 1 minute. Depending on the number of taps, the result is declared. To achieve this, we have created a threshold by making normal people do the same task, and based on the data, a threshold was set for the autistic patients. Block matrix puzzle is used in the application to determine the attention level and short-term visual memory of the autistic patient. Poor emotional response is captured by using face recognition module. In this, the autistic patient is shown a comic video. We have marked the capturing points by making normal people perform this task. For autistic patient, the activity captures their emotion on these points. If their emotion doesn't match the emotion of normal people, then they are poor emotion deficit. Based on the data, the machine learning module compares the data with a threshold range and submits the data to the database. A report is generated with the help of the submitted data, which can be used by medical professionals to examine the patient and decide way for improvement. Advantages include: patients which are fine motor deficit can be detected early with the type, gives more accurate and precise results by making patient perform various activities, help the autistic patients to manage their health and see their growth in a better way. The proposed application is capable of evaluating the severity of ASD. Limitations are: limited number of activities, unable to capture kinetic motor parameters. The result of the application depends on the accuracy of the machine learning algorithm.